Hello everyone. So I know it's kind of rare to see my face on here because like I haven't vlogged in probably over a year, but I just wanted to kind of vlog this experience because I've never been to anything like this. But I'm going to a small shop soiree, I think is how it's pronounced, and it's pretty much just like a flea market of just a bunch of small shops that have pop-up booths at this thing, and you just like shop their booths, and it helps support like small businesses. And I think it's hosted by a small business. I'm pretty sure it is. So that's where I'm headed. I'm just letting my car sort of warm up right now. It's really cloudy out, which I'm not like a fan of because it's kind of cold. So hopefully it's not freezing. It's about 30 minutes away in Downey, which isn't like too far, but it is like, I wish it was closer. Anyway, yeah, that's where I am headed, and then I'll share with you guys like some of the booths that they have, the stuff, and if I buy anything. I don't know, I'm sure I will buy something, but yeah. Anyway, I tried something new with my hair. I crimped it, which like that's not new, but I added these little like front pieces. I don't know, I saw someone on Insta stories with this hairstyle and I thought it looked so cute on her, so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So here it is. I'm attempting it. It looks so much cuter on the other girl though. But anyway, I'm just rambling, so let's go. Like, it's like sunny, but it's also raining, so I don't really know. But I picked up In-N-Out because I haven't eaten since this morning, and I figured if I would eat something before I got to this event. I ordered a number 2, which is a cheeseburger, but I asked for it protein style and they gave it to me regular. Oh well. I was like, whatever. I already waited like forever to get it. So I'm just gonna eat it like this, no big deal. And of course I got fries. I always get grilled onions and no tomato. All right, I'm here. I had to park a little far because the parking situation is really bad. So I parked actually like at the mall that's across the street. I should be fine. I got my fanny pack on. Let's go. Alright guys, the amount of stuff that I have is actually insane. I don't even want to know how much money I spent because this is how you manifest. You live in abundance. So whatever. But I'm leaving now. I have to walk across the street because that's where I parked. There was no parking in the little area, but it's not too far. So these are all my bags. I can't wait to share what I got. Everything is so cute. Okay. Hi, I haven't sat down and filmed a video in a very long time, but I'm just going to continue on sort of the vlog that I was doing when I went to the small shop soiree, I think is what it's called. I don't know if it's small business soiree or small shop soiree. I think it's small shop soiree. But anyway, as you can see, I have a lot of bags behind me because that is pretty much everything that I bought. I purchased from 7 different vendors. It's literally so easy to just start spending all over the place because all of the small businesses there just have such cute stuff and everyone is so nice. So I tried to sort of shop at as many little booths as I could. The small shop soiree, I'll have more information on it down below just because like I don't really know much about it. I've just heard about it through Instagram, and I know they have like some events here and there, and I just happened to see something pop up on my Instagram about the event that they were having tonight. I think normally it's during the day, but this time it was at night. When I first got there it was raining, so that kind of sucked, but then it stopped and then it got really cold, so I tried to be as fast as possible. I was probably only there for a little over an hour, and this is everything I got, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. So none of this is going to be in any particular order. I'm just gonna go through the bags and show you guys what I got as I go. I'm gonna try, if they had put like a business card in the bag, I'm gonna put the name of the small shop like right here, like their Instagram, so you guys can go and check them out. I'll also have it down below. But let's go ahead and start with the first bag. But this is from Swoosh It Up is the name of the little small shop. Their Instagram is at Swoosh It Up Socks. And then they have a website, swooshitup.com. So they make these, or the girl who owns the little small business, she makes like she hand dyes all of these Nike socks. So she pretty much customizes the colors or custom makes them, something like that. So I picked up 4 pairs. They had a deal where if you buy like 4, it was $35 or $10 each. So I'm like, you know what, I might as well just buy them because they're really cute. So these two came together, and these are the ankle length socks. So this looks white, but I promise it's like a ivory color. It's really, really nice. And then this is sort of like a light pink. I don't know if the camera's really picking up that color, but that one. And then this one, which is a crew sock, so a longer sock, and it's in this really cute brown color, and then this lighter, more like beigey color of the crew sock as well. So I love these. These are gonna be so cute with like biker shorts and tennis shoes. So check these out if you are looking for something like this. Okay, so next up in this bag, it just says thank you. I got this super cute Mickey crew neck, and I really like it. The reason I got it was because it's actually embroidered. There were a lot of other small shop vendors there that had like Disney inspired crew necks and t-shirts, but they were all sort of just screen printed, and I really wanted something that was embroidered. And this was the only booth that I found that had actual embroidery on their crew necks. And they had this really other one which just had like a Mickey face, and I thought about getting that one, but I kind of like the vintage look of this one. How it says like Mickey and then he's right there. And it's just very simple. It's in this tan color, I want to say. I think it's tan. I don't know, like khaki color. So super cute. I will be sure to tag the small shop. Next thing is in this bag, and I remember this being the last thing that I bought because I had to wait a little while because the girl was actually still making it for me. So she wrapped it up real cute. It is a, let me unwrap it. So I have been wanting one of these mugs or cups or beer mugs, I don't know what these are called, for a while now. And they had 2 different vendors that was selling them, but this particular one caught my attention because it's obviously Disney. I love Disney. And it's kind of hard to tell, but it's like Mickey and Minnie's little signature, but aren't they just so cute? They are missing shoes, which I just noticed, but that's okay. I purchased the lid from her so that it can go on top, and then it came with a straw. But yeah, also a little bendy straw, and it's all glass, and like, this is the cutest thing. So that was one of the last things, or that was the last thing that I bought. Next up, I got something for my cat. I'm so excited because this is so cute. So this is from Haley's Doggy Dot Boutique on Instagram. This is their card, and the girl there she was so nice. She had all kinds of like designer inspired dog coats and cat coats and dresses, and I literally almost bought my cat a Gucci inspired little like coat, but I just know he won't really wear it, so I stopped myself. The one thing that I did get for my cat though is this super cute Dior inspired like little collar. Oh my god, I am obsessed with this. I'm obsessed. So, oh look. Come here. Come here, love. Are you so excited for your new collar? He heard it. I think he wants it. Look it. That's for you, love. Yeah, that's for you. It's gonna look so good on him. I can't wait to put it on. You're too handsome. Thank you. Come again. So going in there, I thought that I would purchase a lot more jewelry because normally I buy a lot of jewelry from small shops. I just always really like their selection. But this time around, I guess I didn't. I only purchased these 2 items, and this is from Shop Ella Ray, and they are shop_Ella Ray on Instagram. Here's her little card, so super cute. And she put it in this little like canvas tote. But I purchased these 2 rings, so freaking pretty. So this is the first one. I just really like how like simple it is. It's this one right here, and it has this black, I don't know, circle in the center. The next ring I purchased was this one. Probably going to wear this on my index finger like that, or on my middle finger. I mean, it fits on both, but I love how like sparkly it is, the rhinestones. I wanted something similar like this from Swarovski, but I refrained, and I'm glad I did because I found this one and I supported a small business, so love that for me. Okay, next up, I don't know, it's just in this brown bag. This is from, she did put a card. This is from this is from House of Diosa. I was like, what the heck does that say? House of Diosa. And they had a cute little booth, and at the front of their booth, they had this little backpack that I was like, okay, you're coming home with me, and that's exactly what happened, because here it is. It is the cutest little, like look at this. Look at this. This is so stinking cute. I'm so happy that I got it. It has a little pocket in the back, and then it just looks like I should be having a latte in Paris when I wear this. Like, hello, can somebody take me to Paris, France? Because I need to wear this out there. And it's just one of those like little drawstring backpacks. So it has this little thing here, so I'm guessing you could wear it as like a little handbag moment if you wanted to, but I really just like the straps. So got this. Oh, and it has little feet at the bottom. I didn't even know that. This is from Shop Viva La Frida. Shop Viva La Frida on Instagram. Here is their card, Viva La Frida. I don't know if you can see that down here. Right there. But they mostly sold clothes, and I've been looking for a leather blazer for a long time. I have a leather like shacket, but I want a leather blazer because it just is like 2 different vibes. And they had one, well, a lot of little shops had them, but they were like close to $70–80, and I'm like, do I really want to spend that on a blazer that's just like a trendy piece? Like, it just was, I just couldn't justify it, I guess. So I walked over to her booth, and she had a few different blazers, and there was only one leather one, and it didn't have a price on it. So I asked her, I was like, do you like how much is this? And originally she said 42. I was like, oh my gosh, like it's a medium, it's in my size, like it fits me, I'm gonna take it, because like 42 is pretty good, right? And then I go to pay for it, and she's like, actually it's 40. And I was like, even better. So yeah, I got this little leather blazer. The brand is Miss Love. And it just has, it's gonna be kind of hard to see, but this is it. It's got like a couple pockets, and they're real pockets, which I love. One little button somewhere. Where is she? Right there. And it is just so cute. I'm so excited to style it. Like, you guys have no idea. So that is my entire haul. I spent way too much money, but it's okay because these are small businesses. I don't feel bad supporting them. I think all small businesses deserve a chance to, you know, make it out there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog / haul. I hope it wasn't too long and too boring. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram. I have it right here for you, and also down below in the description box. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.